Hello everyone. So today is 6th of December and let's discuss what we discussed yesterday. So in yesterday's video I clearly mentioned that like market will be in a range bound because call writers were active yesterday and even the put writers were also active. So when this thing happens, so usually market is in a range bound mode. And talking about Nifty, open gap up and then again it tried to come down to yesterday's high, and then again like first of all, like it was a range bound day, and for Bank Nifty as well, like it came down and then it concentrated along within a small range. And moreover, we also discussed that on the 15 minutes chart, Nifty, I showed that there was some RSI divergence being forming, but I said that try to look here if RSI is breaking here tomorrow or not. So even after this gap up also, you see like Nifty went up, but the RSI, if you look at this line, so RSI wasn't showing, like RSI did not cross that line. Okay, so if you join these 2 points, so the line was a flat one, like it's not an increasing slope. So the thing is that there we had again in the morning a bearish divergence, and even looking at the money flows in the morning, some big guys were again taking short positions in the morning, and then finally you saw that some fall came in Nifty as well as even in Bank Nifty as well. So let's go to the 5 minutes chart. Yes, so yes, finally Nifty came down, took support at this 100 EMA, and again it went up, and most of the concentration of these cash buying was the cash volume, as you can see today it's at 20,937. So one thing we can very well notice is that like if you look at in the 1 day chart, so let's go to the 1 day chart. So if you look at here, that is market is just moving in a straight line, and that's not a very good sign. So if you see here from 19,850 onwards, like market has started and just in a straight line it's going forward. So what happens is that whenever we see some correction, so in that region, whenever I mean if Nifty corrects in that region, so there won't be any particular support, as we have seen even in the last one, like when Nifty moved in a straight line here. If you would have noticed, like Nifty moved in a straight line here, and then after this, like as we discussed during that time, that if 19,250 breaks, then 18,850 would be straight away like coming. And that's what happened. Like here, as you can see, the day it broke this here like 250, and then the next day we straight up came to 18,850. Okay, so that what happens, that was still in a very short range, like from 250 to 19,250 to 18,850. Okay, but here it's like 1,000 points. Okay, so let's see again what happens for the next few days, but again this is not a very good sign. And on the daily chart, if you can see, the majority of these buying volumes is being here, that is, as you can see, at around if we consider the near level. So as you can see, still this is still if you are considering, like if you want to go more here, so this is only the visible range it will show. So let's see, so this is from like 19th October onwards. Okay, so almost from the time of like that Diwali time. So let's see, the majority of the concentration of this buying is at 19,775. So almost we can take it to be 19,800. And so that were all the thing in the chart. So let's go to the 5 minutes chart back again. And yeah, Bank Nifty also, like if you want to see the same for Bank Nifty, let's go to the 1 day chart. So the majority of the volume concentration is at okay, let's narrow up a little bit. So let's see here, October again, so almost here. So the Bank Nifty buying has the major concentration is at 44,288, so almost 44,300. And yeah, so that's on the charts. And also talking about our money flow. So money flow went negative, and then after that it started recovering, but at the end, even at the end here, that is like money flow was decreasing, okay, just before 3 p.m. So if you can see the chart, like, okay, let's come by one. In the morning here, though money flow was like the spot was increasing, here money flow, as you can see, started decreasing, and then finally like Nifty came down. But at the end also, we showed that this gap was created. Even I posted this before 3 p.m. here. So just go and see the chart there, okay. So yeah, as you can see, at that point this divergence was being made, and this was posted before 3 p.m. And after that, like let's come to the chart. So here what was happening was money flow was decreasing, and but Nifty was moving up. So a bearish divergence, and finally like Nifty came down during the last 30 minutes. And for talking about Bank Nifty, so here Bank Nifty money flow started in the negative direction, and Bank Nifty came down, and finally you see that though Bank Nifty went further down, but money flow went up into the neutral zone, and mostly it concentrated along the neutral zone, showing that both side almost like a neutral zone means like things remain neutral and nothing else. So talking about our other data points, that is again FIIs, okay, today they haven't bought sold only for 79, but that's not something like we should consider. So whatever DI sold yesterday, they again bought it to the amount, I mean they bought it today. Talking about our today's trade, so here again market would be in range bound as we discussed yesterday, and then at the end looked at that divergence in the money flow and bought at 76 and 82, and so the average was at 79 and closed it at 90, giving a 14% profit. And that was it for today. And I mean the trades. And now let's talk about the EOD data. So EOD data is suggesting that, again, if you look at here, positions have been closed due to Bank Nifty expiry ending. So first let's come to the futures position. So futures long positions are getting built up by the FIIs. Short positions are being closed. And prop decks, again, as I said, that they are confused. They have today built some short positions. I think they were thinking that 21,000 would give some resistance, and that's why they took some bearish positions in futures short. So also closed their futures long positions, and so as I said, like prop decks are now a little bit bearish, but again they are overall confused in futures now. Talking about FIIs, they are continuously making long positions in futures. So FIIs are long in the futures, and even their overall positions in futures is on the long side. So talking about this thing, that overall positions in option chain, FIIs, it's suggesting that FIIs have done like put buying. As you can see, some more put buying positions are there than put writing, and as well as huge call buying. So more buying has been done on the call side, okay. So call buying is much more than the put buying. So overall, like FIIs are long, that I would consider. And फिर आप कहोगे कि put buying का क्या होगा? So if the whoever has done put buying, so since that's not a huge difference, not in huge quantity, so what they can do is like they can cover, suppose if they have bought puts at let's say this thing, that is suppose let's go to the option chain. So suppose if they have bought puts at 20,900, so next day if market is at 21,000, then they will short, they will do put trading at 21,000 and cover up their losses on the put buying side with those put writing, and use those put buying as hedging positions, okay. So that's what they do usually. I have shown you practically even like previously many times. And now let's talk about prop decks. So prop decks here, that is they have majorly done put writing, and also they have done call writing. So PropDex again, they have done both call writing and put writing, but now FIIs are like मतलब कुछ दिन पहले इलेक्शन के पहले मतलब PropDex बहुत बुलिश थे, ठीक है. Yes, and I of course say I mean we should agree that PropDex won, but अभी मतलब इतना ऊपर चला गया है, अभी FIIs बहुत बुलिश है, लेकिन PropDex उतना नहीं मतलब उतना नहीं. So the thing is now altering, like now FIIs are very bullish, but PropDex are also bullish, but not that, because FIIs are buying calls in huge quantity. So and also so again if and even recently we are seeing that FIIs are like going right. So according to that we can say that like we can still again see Nifty above 21,000 as well in the next day. So we should be very cautious, because like these type of up moves, again I am saying it's not something very natural. Market is going up in a straight line, and which shouldn't be, okay. And so it's just like some kind of a force or something, you can say, that like is manipulating the market. So anyways it's good for the investors. And let's come to the option chain as well. So option chain अगर आप देखोगे कि जैसे मैंने बोला था कि 21,000 पे call writers are there, okay. So those who thought that 21,000 इस हफ्ते के लिए नहीं आएगा, so they are present there at 21,000. Even if Nifty opens gap up above 21,000, still the 21,000 call writers would try to let Nifty be within a range even after that. And talking about the put writers, yes, the put writers are there, 20,950 and below, as you can very well see. Even if you look at the PCR ratio, it's 1.06, which is showing a bullish sign. And also like we have at 21,100 we have these call writers present. So the second highest Y is at 21,200 and almost at 21,100. So they have almost the same Y. Anyways, so again the PropDex who have done call writing, they might be like at 21,100. They just want to eat this 11 rupees call, okay. So anyways, talking about Nifty, that we have this expiry tomorrow. So that's the overall view. Talking about Bank Nifty, so this was today. So the next week, so you'll see that the major concentration is at 47,000. And also Bank Nifty, if you look at here, the 0.84. So Bank Nifty is not looking very bullish in the option chain for now, but still we should give it a little bit time, because today just expiry happened, so the positions will get built up. But tomorrow, since we have Nifty expiry, so we should concentrate. So the data will be mainly focused on Nifty, and so we should concentrate more here. And so that's what it's indicating that we might have an ending at around 21,000 to maybe 21,050, okay, maybe 50 points range, or let's keep it a 100 points range. So that's where Nifty might end up on the expiry day on Thursday. So that's my analysis, and that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.